Do-it-yourself marketing can be hard on everyone. You, your employees, your entire business will suffer. Your sales will fade away if you don't have the time or tools to do it right. Without consistent social media marketing, video creations, emailing, texting, your constant need for new prospects will disappear, and eventually, your business will too. We know Digital Boost Marketing can help, but if you truly want to do it yourself, we have solutions to help you get on the right track. Our do-it-yourself products help you with email marketing, text message marketing, video production for your website pages, social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and more. We have created over 12 pages of do-it-yourself services with links to those pages below this video. Still confused? Contact one of our friendly staff now, at 617-433-5141 to set up a free, no-obligation consultation, to help find out which do-it-yourself service is the right choice for you and your business. We've helped dozens of clients get started, and our experienced team can answer any questions you may have along the way. So, don't wait, contact us now. Hey, if you don't like using the phone, you can email us at admin@digitalboostmarketing.com, or text the letters DBM to 69696.